Hi there, my name's Ram Castillo and I help creative-led businesses get unstuck. I'm so grateful to have connected with people in over 65 speaking events and workshops around the world, including Apple in Sydney, Creative Live in San Francisco, Herman Miller in Michigan, the AIGA Design Conference in Las Vegas, the Museum of Contemporary Art in Florida, Emergence Creative Festival in Western Australia, Vivid Festival, graduation ceremonies, and numerous events in Mexico and across the United States. In business, time and time again, I observe and arrive at one fundamental truth, that getting stuck or unstuck is dependent on one critical factor, and that's decision making. On one end, there's often options overload, prioritization challenges, analysis paralysis. On the other end, there's often not knowing what options are on the table at all, not knowing what makes up our decision-making compass, and feeling completely lost. Something's stopping us. Usually there's a couple things. What are those things? Fear. Thank you.
Looking for permission.
Looking for permission. Exactly.
Not knowing the steps you need to take, who you need to talk to, what you need to do.
Yes. How? Through my 15 years in the design industry, I'm able to share tried and tested human-centered design methodologies, creative strategies, and personal experiences, including many of my own ventures, to help move the needle on decisions around business, customer experience, brand positioning, marketing, leadership, management, career progression, and entrepreneurship. So here's my philosophy. It's simple, but it's not simplistic. I believe that the best decisions happen when objectives are interrogated, when criteria are curated, and when obstacles are dismantled. Interrogating objectives means questioning if your desired outcomes are in alignment with your minimum viable intent. Curating criteria means being brutally honest with your non-negotiables.
Dismantling obstacles means pulling apart the challenge in search for the source
or the root cause.
This here in my hand is indeed exactly what it looks like. It's a toilet paper roll, but it's not just any toilet paper roll. This was my toy of choice from 2 years old onwards when my family and I migrated from the Philippines to Australia in the 1980s. We didn't have much, so I would use toilet paper rolls to make robots, cars, whole cities in fact, in any space that I could find it in our little apartment. Now, all of us here tonight are connected to the ecosystem that is marketing in some way or another. We have it in our DNA to keep our finger on the pulse, to be opportunistic with changes that arise, and to do what we can with what we have.
So if you'd like me to speak at your event or to facilitate a workshop on tools, processes, practices to help you or your organization make more empowered and informed decisions, I'd be delighted to hear from you.